Jai Srimanarayana. 13th sloka from first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Tataha Senkhascha Bheryascha Panavanaka Gomukhaha Sahasaiva Abhyahanyanta Sasabdaha Tumulo Bhavat. Om. Anything we do, it has to be properly organized, planned very well, with a good amount of discipline. In the 18th chapter, Sri Krishna Paramatma says that, "Come to me, surrender to me alone." 66th sloka. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Ho Srimanarayana, I shall do everything with a good amount of discipline, properly planned and organized. Ho Krishna, I shall come to you, surrender to you alone. I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni, giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra," saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Vamana praising Bali Chakravarti's dynasty." And also he is saying like this, "O Bali, you asked me, who are you? So what can I tell about myself? Idi naaku nelavani ఏ రీతి పలుకుదు." Oh my dear Bali, how can I say that so and so place is my place? ఒక చోటనక ఎందు నుండనేర్తు. There is no any specific location for me. I am all over. And also, Bali, you asked me, whom do you belong? How can I say that? ఎవని వాడనంచు ఏమని పలుకుదు. How can I answer that question? It is impossible to answer that question, because నాయంత వాడనై నడవనేర్తు. I am by myself. I am completely independent. So, and another question you asked me, what is your character? How do you behave and what are your activities? Even for that question also, it is impossible to answer. ఈ నడవడియని ఎట్లు ఒక్కానింతు పూని ముప్పోకల పోవనేర్తు. What can I say about myself? Just by my willpower, with my sankalpam, I behave, I act in so many ways. And another question you asked is, what did you learn? Ho Bali, adi nertun idi nertun ani ela cheppanga నేరుపులన్నీయు నేవనేర్తు. What can I say about that? I cannot say that I learned that, I learned this. No, I do learn everything and I do know everything. Like that, Vamana answering questions of Bali, and hiddenly he is also exploring, he is also revealing his supremacy in his questions. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 13th sloka. ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च पणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दः तुमुलोऽभवत्. ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च पणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तुमुलोऽभवत्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.